Today we're going to do fried chicken in a skillet. It's the Salad Master skillet, you know it by now. So what you need to do is heat it up, preheat it at 450 Fahrenheit, that is 230 centigrade. You know when it's ready because the flashing light stops. So no oil needed, just make sure you put the chicken in whole. You hear this? So it will sear. And the glory is, it's no fat. I'm going to put a couple of bits of boneless thighs in as well. So all you need to do is just now leave it for 15 minutes either side. Crack the lid so the steam would go down. And remember, when the chicken has lifted, that's when it's ready. If it's still sticking, that means the chicken is not ready. Come back in 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes is up. Let's see if it's done. Ooh. So the chicken's nicely seared now. So it comes off without any cut. All you need to do is turn it over and cook for another 15 minutes at 230 centigrade, 450 Fahrenheit. Just another 15 minutes. And then over. Lid back on. See you in 50 minutes when it be completely cooked. 50 minutes either side. Time's up. Let's see how well it's cooked. 15 minutes each way in this lovely skittle. I can see that. Can you see that? Let me show you. Look at that. Oh. No fat, remember? Just pure goodness. Remember, if it doesn't come off easily, that means it's not cooked. Okay? So these are coming off as they should. Oh. There we go. And there's a couple of little tasters I put on a bit earlier. So there you have it. Fried chicken in 30 minutes, 15 minutes each side. Look at that, no fat. You think I'll be slim, wouldn't you? One day, one day. Don't forget, watch, subscribe, tick, like, whatever you want to do. Okay? More cooking tips later.